Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. How to treat upper back pain? There are several ways to treat a burning pain in your upper back depending on the condition. OTC medications. The following over-the-counter pain reliever options may help to reduce inflammation and stop the burning sensation. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs like ibuprofen, naproxen sodium, and prescription medication. If your pain does not respond to the over-the-counter medicines, your doctor might recommend other medications, either a prescription medication or a topical cream. The prescription medication can include muscle relaxant, opioids, corticosteroids, etc. Physical therapy. While medication can relieve inflammation and the burning sensation, you might require other therapies depending on the underlying condition. For example, physical therapy can assist with improving your flexibility, strength in your back, range of motion, improving the physical abilities above. May help ease pain associated with herniated disc, spinal stenosis, arthritic conditions, spinal misalignment, etc. Surgery. If you have a spinal tumor, your doctor will likely recommend the following treatments to shrink or destroy cancerous cells like surgery, radiation, chemotherapy. It is important to know that non-surgical therapies may not improve the following conditions like herniated disc, spinal stenosis, bone spurs. In the above scenario, you may need surgery to relieve nerve compression and ease back pain symptoms. Relaxation. When stress causes upper back pain and neck pain, learning how to cope with stress may help you feel better. This includes setting realistic expectations, knowing your limitations, increasing physical activity, taking mental breaks, getting enough sleep. If you are unable to reduce stress naturally, talk with your doctor about anti-anxiety medications. Home remedies. Hot or cold therapy. For acute pain due to injury or muscle strain, cold therapy may help to reduce inflammation. Wrap an ice pack in a towel and then apply the towel to your back and neck. Apply cold therapy for no more than 20 minutes at a time. If you have chronic upper back pain, heat therapy might be more effective. It can calm and relax your muscles and increase blood circulation. Apply a heating pad for no more than 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase your stress level and make back pain worse. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a comfortable sleep environment and avoid stimulating activities before bed like exercising, playing video games, etc. Exercise. Increasing physical activity can improve blood circulation, strengthen your back, and reduce inflammation. This can ease mild to moderate back pain. Aim for 30 minutes of light physical activity at least 5 days in a week. Thank you all. Have a nice day.